There is one thing almost every one of us desire in our life, the desire to live a more balanced life. In our life, we are playing different roles and always juggling with responsibilities. We are constantly pulled into so many directions, and nothing ever seems to be enough. We often end up finding these moments become stressful and out of control. I truly believe that it's always okay to feel this way because we all have the potential to shine in life's darkest moments. Ultimately, the key to achieving our dreams is by maintaining that balance. Here are the 6 ways to be more in control and ways to take your power back. We all know the importance of drinking water, but most of the times we forget or fail to prioritize it to maintain our well-being. Drinking water in regular intervals has a lot of benefits, especially when we are stressed. It helps in delivering oxygen, it cushions the brain, spinal cord, and other sensitive tissues. It also helps in production and balance of hormones and helps in flushing out the toxic body waste. Drink it cold, hot, or warm. Any ways are okay. You can add some lemon slices to add that freshness to your morning. Drinking lemon water on an empty stomach has a lot of benefits. It helps to alkalize the body and rejuvenates the skin. It also helps to improve digestion and helps in weight loss. Sometimes I love taking lemon shots post my meal as I feel it speeds up my digestion. I prefer to add a little bit of ginger juice and a pinch of turmeric to make it a fun drink. Meditation. Someone wise said to me that the real source of happiness lies in the clarity of thoughts. External thoughts are pleasurable as long as you are happy from the inside. One of the basic outcomes of meditation is that it helps you sink into relaxed awareness. This is one of the reasons it's so helpful to meditate during time of stress. When one is stressed, they are meant to fire up, and then it becomes difficult to make thoughtful decisions. So, if we find our mind clouded due to overwhelm, we can use meditation as a tool to calm the mind. Ideally, we must meditate in a preventive way so that we don't get into that point. The practice is here for you whenever you need it. I love doing meditation as it sets my tone for the day. Sometimes when I meditate, I experience a state of complete peace. A state where I feel as if every cell of my body is calm and aligned. On the other hand, light stretching and basic yoga helps in bringing better shape and improves our physical and mental well-being. Sometimes it's perfectly okay to choose the easy path. Painting or simply playing with colors helps in reducing stress and gives a calming influence to our mind. It's awfully hard to stress and overthink when you are engaged in something fun and expressive like this. If you are a reluctant painter like me, choose to go for these peaceful drawing sheets and randomly start filling these figures and shapes. Coloring demands concentration, and this type of activity helps us regain our focus and sense of self-worth. We are in a moment of human history, a very unique time where everybody has been pulled inside their homes. Instead of succumbing to the fear or negativity, I feel it's a great opportunity given by God to humans to slow down and reflect on how we've been living our life. I recently started journaling, where I write my gratitude letters, my vision of the year, things that I love, and the things I would like to experience. It is such a luxurious feeling to turn off that chatter and enjoy the silence. Hey, just go ahead and do a brain dump. Open your journal to a blank page and let it loose. Write down everything that's on your mind until there's nothing left. Cleaning out can be a great way to allow more space for balance. We feel empowered in a space that helps us feel calm, refreshed, and relaxed. To lighten the load, just go ahead and clean your personal space. And remember, not others. These spaces can be your wardrobe, your cosmetic boxes, your accessory boxes, or maybe your drawers. Sometimes this personal clearing of space allows us to receive the love, care, and attention that we've been missing out. It also helps us in giving a feeling of accomplishment. That's it. You are on your way to reclaiming your power and taking better care of yourself.